Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn Model Context Protocol, that is MCP. What MCP is? Here you can see MCP. If any AI application wants to talk another application, there is need a MCP server. Say for example, if you ask Claude or any AI application to create any or to communicate another application, you need a MCP server. AI application has in the backend it has the LLM. Any LLM it uses AI application. Okay, this AI application wants to talk another application. Say for example, your GitHub account or any databases. Say for example, here you can say for example any application means you want to talk to the database server. Say for example Postgres, or you have the MySQL server. Your any AI application, that AI application means under the hood it has the LLM, large language model. Large language model wants to talk your Postgres database or wants to communicate your MySQL server. Then you need to configure the MCP server. MCP means model. That means this model it has a protocol to communicate the another application. You can see the architecture of this MCP. Here you can see this is the any application, AI application. This AI application may be your Claude desktop or any IDE or any AI application. This AI application wants to talk to another application or any another server or application. Say for example, this is your local application, and it may be the database server that may be Postgres. This AI application wants to talk the Postgres database. You need a MCP. This is the MCP. Okay, or this AI application, say for example Claude, wants to talk to another application. Say for example GitHub account, my GitHub account. I want to access my GitHub account. GitHub is located on the through internet. That means your AI application, say for example Claude, wants to talk another application that is GitHub account, and it can be connected through internet. That means your AI application or AI tools wants to talk another application that is GitHub account, which can be accessed through internet by using MCP server. This application is located connected on the internet. It may be the local application, that is the Postgres DB. This Postgres DB, if I access through Claude desktop, we need a MCP server. That means MCP server acts bridge between AI application and any application. AI means under the hood it has the large language model. Model context protocol. This model needs a protocol to communicate another application. That is the MCP means. MCP means bridge between AI and tools. This is the AI, and it says that any application it is said by the tools. Okay, that means AI application wants to communicate another application. We need MCP server. MCP is a bridge. It acts as a bridge between AI application and another application. Very simple. You can see this is the AI application. AI application may be the Claude desktop or your any AI application. Say for example any chatbot. It is a AI application, and it communicate to another application. Say for example GitHub account or database or your local computer. If you want the through AI application, you can communicate the GitHub account or database server or your computer files. You need to configure the MCP server. Okay, I hope you got the point. MCP server, MCP has two parts. One is MCP server and another is MCP client. Okay, here you can see this is the AI application. You can think this is it is the AI application. Say for AI application, you can think of Claude, Claude. This is the AI application, any AI application. And this is the another application. Say for example, my GitHub account. I want to access my GitHub account through Claude desktop. What it needs? We need a MCP server. Okay, MCP server. Okay, MCP server. This is the MCP server. What is the MCP client? You can think the MCP client. This is the Claude. MCP client. It is the Claude. Okay, the MCP server. We want to add the MCP server into the MCP client, that is Claude, so that Claude can communicate with the my GitHub account. Okay, where we get the MCP server of my GitHub or GitHub account? GitHub created a MCP server which is available in the internet. Okay, you can go to this site, modelcontextprotocol.io. You can learn several documentation available in this site. And another site, this is the model context protocol GitHub account. You can go through it. And this is the here model context protocol /servers. This GitHub account has the several MCP server available. Okay, if we access my GitHub account through the Claude desktop, we need the GitHub MCP server. Here one case you can see, if I want to GitHub account, this say for example this is the GitHub account, and there is the Claude AI application. Through Claude I want to access my GitHub account. We need a MCP server. Where we get the MCP server of a GitHub? You can all the MCP server available in this GitHub account. Okay, here you can go through. Here you can see Control F. You can find the GitHub official server is available. This is not, and this. Here you can see this is the GitHub MCP server of GitHub. Click here, and here go through here down. Here you can see this is the MCP server config file. Okay, this is the MCP server config file. Just copy it through, go to the Claude code and Claude desktop config, and here you can see this. This is the MCP server. Okay, this is the configuration of MCP server. This configuration I want to add to the Claude desktop, so that I get the MCP server config. Here is the MCP server config. This MCP server config have to add into the Claude MCP client. This is the MCP client. Claude is the one type of MCP client. Okay, the MCP server I got from the GitHub account. This is the MCP server config file. Claude desktop, you can just copy this portion. Okay, copy this portion and go to the Claude desktop. CLAU. Open the Claude desktop, and here just go to here, settings, and then developers, and then edit config. Then open this JSON file, and here Control A, Control V. Here paste it. Okay, this is the GitHub MCP server configuration. This to connect Claude. If Claude wants to connect to the GitHub account, we need to add the MCP server in this here. To access the my GitHub account, we need a personal access token. From where I will get? Go to my account, my GitHub account. Here, just go to the settings, and go to the settings. Then go to the personal access token, SSH, and this. Personal password and authentication. Developer settings, and then go to the personal access token and classic tokens. Then create a new token. Then just use authenticator, use your password, press it. I am using this. Here you can name it any name, you can MCP CLAUD plot. Then go, oh, sorry, create a new one. Have to take MCP any name. Then click on repo. Okay. Then go to the generate token. Okay. This copy the personal access token and go to the settings. Here you have to put the personal access token. Control V. Okay. And Control S, save. But to run the MCP server, you need the Docker. I have already Docker desktop in my machine. DOCK Docker desktop in my machine. That's why I don't need to install it again. To run the MCP server, you need the Docker desktop. Okay, I have already Docker desktop is present in my machine. Okay, then Control S, save the setting and close it. Okay, then go to the Claude and close the Claude and restart the Claude. Here you can quit. Okay, then again run the Claude, CLAUD Claude. Okay, then you can see here, go to click on tools, and you can see the GitHub tools is available. That means you have successfully connected the GitHub account through MCP. This is the MCP GitHub. This is the MCP. Okay, that means just go to click on here. You can see all the tools available. Okay, just back to this. GitHub is connected successfully. That means here this is the client, MCP client. Here in my case, Claude desktop. Okay, and through MCP server I have attached to the Claude desktop. Which MCP server? My GitHub MCP server. GitHub MCP server. GitHub MCP server. So that Claude can communicate the my GitHub account. If we ask any question to the Claude, that means AI application, it can fetch the data from the my GitHub account. I will show you. Here you can go to the Claude desktop, and if we ask Claude to create a repository on my GitHub account, say for example, create a repository named learn MCP on my GitHub SCOUNT. And if we want to create a repository named learn MCP on my GitHub account, hit enter. It is create repository. And if we go to the my GitHub account and here go to the repository, you can see the one repo is created just 4 minutes ago, learn MCP. Okay, there is one blank MCP is created. Okay, in this, that means you have successfully connected the MCP server on Claude desktop. You can communicate the any application through MCP. Okay, you can go through the MCP server, that is this GitHub MCP server, model context protocol / server. All the MCP servers are available, created by their company here in this repo. You can go through it. Okay. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.